hot and sweaty day today. I'm wearing a shirt for a change because I need to go to get a travel pass. Yesterday I told you I don't need a travel pass, but I just read today that now I need one again. So I need to go extend my visa tomorrow at the immigration, and to do that I need to go to the next island. So I need to look presentable, so I need to wear a shirt. I haven't worn a shirt in like weeks. Because it's always so warm on the island, and then I just save on laundry. I'm now at the municipal hall. I'm gonna see what they have to say. I've been into the municipal hall, but I need to get a medical certificate to get a travel pass. So to get a medical certificate I need to come back here at 2 p.m. I guess I won't be able to go surfing today. Maybe I can go surfing this afternoon, but for now I'm gonna get one of the burgers you can buy at one of these stores. Got the burgers. I'm gonna go to the ATM now. Ooh, look at that, it looks terrible. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the ATM now because it's not always as easy to withdraw money here on the island. Sometimes there's money in the ATM, sometimes it's out of order. So I'm just gonna try my luck. I need at least like 6,000 pesos to do my visa extension. This is another obstacle just to prepare to do the visa extension. So here is an ATM, but it is a Euronet ATM. And I've been warned multiple times not to use this ATM because they take a lot of money. Like normally the ATMs here in Siargao, you have a 200 peso charge fee for international cards, but this one doesn't tell you about it. It takes an extra 15% on whatever you were drawing, so it ends up taking a lot of money. You see, this is the one I normally go to. It's under maintenance. It'll probably only be fixed this afternoon. I figured out it's around 4 o'clock. I will link this ATM because it's not on Google Maps, because I actually struggled to find it. The other day I said Num Num is my favorite place to eat is closed. Well, they're open and I will come here tonight. I bought some water, and this is the No Neck Ed of water bottles. If you don't know who's No Neck Ed, he's an American man who met a Filipino wife, and there was like a whole TLC show about it.
In a few days, I'm getting ready to get on a plane and go meet Rose, the love of my life, for the very first time. I'm super excited because I also bought a ring, and I plan to ask Rose to marry me.
Remember when I said it was hot? It is now like 10 times worse. I'm gonna eat my burger underneath the aircon now, and I'm gonna check on yesterday's vlog that is uploading. Ooh, these burgers are the best. Okay, let's check how that upload's doing. It's been stuck there all morning. Okay, heading back now for a second try. Let's hope I get my medical certificate and travel pass. Oh man, there's a line. Success! Okay, so now I can get a travel pass. Another queue. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, I've got a medical certificate and I've got a travel pass to go on my mission tomorrow. That's just chicken place on my way to the ATM. This is the best chicken that you can get on this island, hands down. I'll show you this later. And I'll also link this in the description, as well as the other ATM I'm gonna try now. Oh man, no luck. Now I probably need to use the Euronet ATM, but I'll try the other one again on my way back home. Luckily it is on my way home. No luck. Now I can check if my upload has any progress. The internet on this island is not always just slow, it's mostly unreliable. Sometimes it's like very fast, and then most of the time it's very slow. So that is a little bit of a struggle. Success. 5:20 p.m. It's done. So here I have some of the best fried chicken on the island. This is a spicy chicken I bought for 45 pesos per piece. And then I also cook some brown rice with it. I'm gonna grab some rice and then take a bite of the chicken. Oh, it's spicy. Tomorrow I'm gonna go on a mission to the immigration to extend my visa. At the entrance of the immigration there's a Jollibee. I would like to compare it with this chicken, so tomorrow I'll be able to tell you which one is better. Anyway, so that's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, then I guess I'll see you tomorrow, bro.